Your Chris 6 weather forecast.
Well, today we shifted the rain around a little bit, and even though it was in the area just like yesterday, it was focused more out to the west of the regions near the coast that saw the heavy rain going on yesterday. There's a flood advisory there and also down to the south, both of those just outside of our viewing area, but you can see that big storm right there causing all that rain. Today's rainfall, nearly an inch fell at the airport. Remember yesterday, hardly anything while it rained here in town, and near the coast it was heavy. But officially Beeville only had 0.02 of an inch, but around Beeville they saw about 1/2 to 0.6 of an inch of rain. Also some heavy rain up here around Refugio and Woodsboro, as you can see there in yellow. That on our scale is over 2 inches of rain, and then down around Baffin Bay. So we did see some significant rain in the region. In our almanac, 91 on the afternoon high, coming from a low of 78. We picked up an inch of rain today. Our deficit is now just 142. Wow. Remember, we talked about that being a plus, and I think that could be a big plus by the time we get to Labor Day. Here is the actual rainfall for the year. We've now picked up 17.65 inches, but almost 10.5, a little bit more than 10.5 has fallen in this month of August. We are 8 inches above normal. My, how things have turned around in a dramatic fashion. Our lake levels, again, the reports, it seems like the gauges are stuck on about 47% of combined system capacity. They haven't changed according to the city in the last 3 days. 87 east-northeast winds at 7 miles an hour. Temperatures, rain-cooled 77 in Beeville. We're 87 here. 80s over most of the area except for Flower Bluff. There is this mid-level and surface trough out here to the west that drew in the tropical moisture. That's why it was a little further west today than it was yesterday. Not much left over in the Gulf, so we'll see a reduction in rainfall here the next 3 days to isolated activity, but there's still plenty of moisture around. It's definitely going to rain again, but we'll call it isolated to scattered as opposed to scattered like we've seen the last couple of days. High pressure dominating in the upper atmosphere. We're going to see this area low pressure form here beginning on Saturday, and that's going to draw in rich tropical moisture from the Gulf, more so than we've already seen, and the rain's going to pick up here, unfortunately, over the holiday weekend. So if you've got any lawn mowing to do, you probably ought to try to get it done between now and Friday night. You can see some moisture around tomorrow and also on Thursday, but it's marginal. Here's the big slug of moisture that's coming Friday night. Friday afternoon looks okay, but by the time Friday night and Saturday roll around, that's where the rain's really going to pick up there. And then it'll still be around on Sunday, and then another big surge of moisture comes in on Monday. So here's what it looks like across the region. And again, you can see showers developing along the coast in the morning. They'll be isolated in nature through about 1 o'clock, and then they'll go inland and dissipate just like they did today. And we'll start all over again on Thursday. Rainfall amounts will generally be 1 to 2 inches, but some areas will see a lot more than that over time. And our winds will stay on the light side, indicating atmospheric instability, as it'll be nearly calm in the morning with a light breeze in the afternoon. And then there were just two systems working in the Atlantic basin, and that's it. Both of them could develop into tropical activity. None of these two will be affecting us. We've been 58 days without a named storm. 92 tomorrow and Thursday with isolated showers, 93 Friday, then numerous showers Saturday, Sunday, and also Labor Day. All right, Pat will be right back after this.